Hi friends, if you are willing to add affiliate feature on your WordPress website, this video is for you. And in this video we are going to install affiliate WP premium WordPress plugin, and this will bring the affiliate feature on the website. Let us see what features it brings with it and what are the settings available for affiliate networking. Go to the plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, and zip one should be used here. It may take a bit time, so just be here, don't refresh or leave this page. And once the plugin gets uploaded, we need to activate the plugin. There are currently no affiliate WP integrations enabled. If you are using affiliate WP without any integration, you may discard this message. Let us see what is the general setting available. So these are the general settings: affiliate area, where we want to use this feature, affiliate account, terms of use and basic things are here, referral page, percentage USD, referral rate, and all necessary settings are here. And if you are aware about the affiliate system, you must be knowing about all these things. Integrations, as we can use integrations as well. So these are the integrations available, where we can put integration or WP e-commerce and WP forms. All are available. H2 member is also important, and opt-in forms are here. Referral amount, opt-in referral amount, opt-in referral status, emails, so in the email you can see the picture. Miscellaneous settings are here. Allow affiliate registration, allow users to register affiliate accounts for themselves, require approval, and all the things are here. And the payout service is most important part of affiliate. So this is enable payout service and payout service notice, and all these things are here. So with the affiliate WP, you can create full feature affiliate program on WordPress, and I am going to give this link in the description of this video. You may know more about through this link. And this is basically affiliate networking program plugin. So this is going to increase your income as well, and you can add the features of affiliate marketing through this plugin. And this plugin is available on the WP themes website. I'll add the link of that page also in the description of this video. And I believe you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just subscribe to get more and more about the plugins and themes. Thanks for watching.